This isn't a movie or a video game. It's a real remote control model, precision crafted by me, the Makera Z1 Desktop CNC. 3D printing is great, both for robust metal parts, real wood textures, or fast PCB prototypes. You need a CNC. In the past, CNC meant high cost, complex setups, and pro-only software. But today, with me, that story is about to change. Let's see what everyone can create with me. Hi Michael, what are you designing?
Oh hey, I lost my Sony camera lens cap, so I designed a new one in aluminium. So it's now stronger and better than new.
Great idea. I'm perfect for machining soft metals like aluminum.
The model is ready. What's next?
With Makera Studio, just import your design. Toolpaths are auto-generated in just a few clicks.
That's easy.
Yes. Preview virtually, then start machining right away. See how I simplify CNC machining with innovative design? A simple clamp system makes work holding quick and easy. My unique alignment system with a laser-guided probe lets you set up projects fast and auto-level uneven surfaces effortlessly. An integrated quick-change spindle makes tool swaps effortless. Smart airflow cools the spindle and clears chips, working seamlessly with the dust collector to keep everything clean and safe.
Perfect fit.
Hi Sarah, what are you looking for?
Oh, I'm browsing Macerables, Makera's CNC sharing platform, for a birthday gift idea. This wooden automata looks fun. Though I don't like the style. So I sketched a new design, but I'm not good at 3D modeling. Any suggestions?
Great choice! It used to be hard, but now AI can turn your sketches into 3D models instantly. Look! How about this one?
Amazing!
This design is geometrically complex, so we'll use my 4-axis attachment to make it.
Is the machine rigid enough for 4th axis operations?
Absolutely. With the one-piece die-cast frame and linear rails, stability is rock solid. You can even machine metal for fine jewelry. Done! Just follow the steps to assemble it.
Oh, almost forgot. Can I add a message and my friend's name on it?
Of course. Just use the laser module and you are ready to go.
Beautiful.
Yes, I'm sure your friend will love it. Hi Ethan and Emily. Anything you'd like me to make?
Yeah, we want to personalize the dog tag for Buddy. Can you show us how?
Of course. Can anyone help to take a cute photo of Buddy?
Let me do it.
Great. With Makera's AI tools, your photo can turn a 2D design or a 3D relief in seconds. Why not make both and let Buddy choose? My enclosure keeps dust and noise inside. An onboard camera lets you monitor in real time, even capture time-lapse to share the whole process. Worried about safety? Don't be. Multiple sensors instantly stop the machine if the lid is opened. Hi buddy, which one do you like? Welcome to the world of CNC. From personal hobbies to artistic design and family creations, Makera Z1 takes your creativity and joy to a whole new level.